Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Winterskincare, your boss girl, and I'm finally after so long back with my DIY kind of video for you guys. I miss standing here and making those kind of video for you guys. And today's video is about the winter skincare because हमारी जो skin होती है वो बहुत extra dry feel करती है if you have a dry skin and dull feel करती है. The glow is gone when the winter arrives. So हम आज एक बेहतरीन से दो फेस पैक बनाने वाले हैं and one exfoliator, and your skincare should have those elements in the DIYs to keep your skin hydrated, super hydrated. So let's get into the video and let's make amazing face packs and get the glow back.
So for the exfoliator you will need a coffee. Any coffee would work, as coffee is a really great ingredient as it fights the free radicals with its antioxidants. And now I am using this cocoa powder. Cocoa powder is really great to enhance your complexion and for exfoliation as well. Now I am using honey to blend it well, and it's really great to moisturize your skin naturally. And here it is, here we go, it's ready. Now I'm going to apply the scrub gently on my face and simply start exfoliating my nose firstly and then exfoliate the whole face. Do it really gently, apply it all over your face and start scrubbing. Just go with the motion, and especially your upper lips and all in the areas which are tanned, scrub it well, and your lips especially, scrub, and we are done. Now wash it. And this is how the results look like after washing my face. Now let's move to the second face pack. I'm using 1 spoon of rice flour and half spoon of besan. Besan is a dry ingredient, so we are going to use milk with it. Rice is really great if you want to get a brighter skin and clear skin, and really helps to fight with the open pores and reduce the acne. And this is how the face pack looks like. And now we are simply going to apply this face pack, and let me tell you that the Korean secret includes the rice ingredients in their remedies, and this is the best option. You can go with the rice water, scrubber, and the face packs are the best remedies you can go with. And it's winter, so let it dry for 50% and then wash it off. Don't let it dry totally because that may make your skin too dry in winters. So this is how my skin is looking after washing that face pack. Wonderful.
This is how the results are after applying the first face pack and the exfoliation, and my skin already feels revived. So now we are moving to the final face pack, which is my favorite, and this is what you need for winter glowy skin, especially for pinkish skin. So let's see the third face pack.
So now for the third face pack I'm using multani mitti 1 spoon, and this is the main ingredient, which is beetroot juice. Yes, we are going to use 1 and a half spoon of beetroot juice. This will give a really natural glow to your skin, will work for anti-aging, and will really reduce your pigmentation. And now I'm using rose water to mix with it, and just mix, and this is how the paste turns out. Again, I'm simply gonna just apply the face pack, and I love this one because the texture is so smooth. You can see the difference, it's so smooth, and the glow which this face pack gives me is the best one. You know, that pinkish kind of glow. And let me tell you guys, just apply one of the face pack, not both of them together. And this is how the result looks like. Just look at the glow, like look at the pinkness in my skin. Wow.
So guys, I'm just done washing my face after that beetroot face pack, and there's nothing on my face, and I'm loving the results, and it just made my skin so pinkish, I already have a pinkish kind of skin tone, but I'm loving this results. And don't forget to really moisturize your skin after applying anything, any face pack. You need to keep your skin really hydrated. That's when you will get the glowy results. And I hope you guys liked my video and the DIYs I showed you in this video. So all these face packs are wonderful to do your exfoliation, detoxify your skin, and also make it really glowy and work on your complexion as well. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do let me know how are the results after applying these face packs. So happy winters, and keep your skin hydrated, guys. See you in the next video.